How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, the other day we did a little review there on the 3-point quick hitch that I got for my tractor. Today's a big day because we're going to put that 3-point quick hitch on the tractor, and then I also have a 5-foot back blade that I just acquired here recently. We're going to put that on the tractor for the first time and give that a little rip around the yard here and see what we can come up with. So let's go look while we put this new quick hitch on the tractor to see how that fits, and then see if we can pick up our back blade with the quick hitch. So here's the quick hitch. We're going to put it on the tractor. Now, put that in there. And should do this side too. The main reason I was getting this hitch is because it's such a chore, for me now especially, to hook up implements on the 3-point hitch. So I'm hoping I'm going to wrestle with this and get it hooked on and then never come off the tractor. There's one side. So we got her attached. I'm going to start the tractor, raise it up now, and do some adjusting. So as we tighten these turnbuckles, we use those to, of course, center the attachment in the middle of the tractor, in the center line of the tractor. As we tighten the left side, it'll move the whole thing, the whole attachment towards the right. Alright, so they're pretty snug there now, but we're just going to eyeball that a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. I think it can go a little bit more to the right. And by tightening these turnbuckles, you can really make the 3-point solid on the back. So no worries about it moving around then, slopping around. And then we'll just tighten up these lock nuts. That's pretty solid there. Just want to show you these adapter bushings. They're well, the diameter is set to match, to mate up with your quick hitch, and it has locating holes here to hold it on the lift pins on the attachment. You can't put clips in like this because they won't fit over the end, but what I'll do, I'm just going to place these on loose for now, but I'll have to get some split pins to drive through these holes. Just want to show you what happened here. You can see here, the bottom pin is not in this cradle. And the reason for that is this brace has a bolt through here, and that's what I managed to hook. You can see in there, that's what I managed to hook with my 3-point. So I have to change that a little bit. Where this hook is here on the quick attach, that is from the bottom of it to the top tip is longer than it is from that top where the linchpin is down to this bolt that holds the top pieces of the braces together. What I tried to do when I set up to hook onto the back blade was I tried to make this plumb. What I need to do is tip that, the top part, I need to tip that forward, so I'm going to get a smaller piece of 4x4 again and put under there to allow that to tip forward. Try that one. So I'm not having very good luck with the quick hitch, but what I'm going to try and do next is I'm going to take, I tried to make this quick hitch here vertical. I'm going to tip the top of it forward by adjusting the top link so I can get that top hook to lean forward some and hook on. That way it might be able to hook onto the attachment, and then it's just a matter of adjusting the top link. So that's my next step in this adventure. Alright, I think we might have her now. Let's try it. So they talk about are your implements 3-point quick hitch compatible, right? Quick hitch compatible, you hear that a lot. Are your implements compatible? Well, now we know what they're talking about. If you can see here in that last little video clip, the edge, I did lift the whole blade right into the air, and it's nowhere near properly seated in the quick hitch. But what's happening here is this bolt through the bottom that holds all this top bracing together and makes it sturdy and strong. There's not enough room for my quick hitch hook to pass between it and catch onto this pin. So what's happening now, the back blade is wedged between this pin and that bolt there holding the hook on the 3-point quick hitch. So this, what I'm trying to say with all this is that this back blade is not quick hitch compatible. So what am I going to do about that? I don't know. So we made a slight modification here. So what I did was I took this brace here, I bent that up out of the way, or not out of the way, I bent it up so that it would line up with this top hole, and I just took that bolt out of there and put the bushing and everything up top. So now I think it might work a little better. We'll try it. We're getting closer to being where we want to be, I think. Now, if you look there, that pin is not bottoming out on that hook. It's hard to see that. I'm not even sure if you can pick that up with the camera. but I can adjust that. I'm going to take these out, move it up to make that sit right. The other thing is, this arm on this side is not bottoming out in its hook. So right now the only thing that's holding it, it's wedged between the pin on that side, and where this top link pin is pressed against the top hook. So what I'm going to do is let it down. I'm going to try to move this hook up a couple of holes and see if that makes any difference. So I moved this hook up one position just to try it. So we'll see. Alright, I think we're getting somewhere now. If you check this pin, it's bottomed out in the saddle. This top link, as soon as I get you squared away there, is set nearly to the bottom of that link. You may as well say it is the bottom. And where I was concerned that this side wasn't touching, this side is also setting in the cradle nice. Now I put the locking levers on it and they come over top, so that's good. And I close that one and it locks good. So I think we're good to go. That didn't turn out too bad. First time using it. Okay, we got the quick hitch on the tractor, and we managed to modify our back blade so that the quick hitch would work on it. Now, a word or two about the quick hitch. I think the quick hitch is going to be a great addition to the shop, to the tractor. It's going to make putting the implements on a million times easier, and easier to adjust everything. The issue I had here was my attachments are not compatible to 3-point hitch, or quick hitch. So I had to make some modifications on the fly there to get the back plate here at least to hook on. I was checking on some of the other attachments. I think my snowblower will go on it okay, but the landscape brake and the carrier and the box blade, things like that, no, not so easy. I'm glad I got that. It's going to be a lifesaver. It's a great addition. If you're thinking of getting a quick hitch system, I would say do it. It does make the implements hang off the back of the tractor another 3 or 4 inches, but using the back blade here, I didn't see that as an issue. We'll see when we put the snowblower on. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Click like if you did. So thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. And see you again in Grampie's workshop. We'll talk to you.